Hey Robert, Aaron at Taylor & Sons Chevrolet here. Gonna be doing that walk around video for you, and I'm gonna critique the heck out of this thing. What I'll do is I'll point out any blemishes or anything I'd wanna know about before I came and looked at this thing. All in all, beautiful vehicle, but I will just point out the very few flaws that are in it so you have the reference of those. Starting with the exterior on the front here. Beautiful truck, all in all, really is. There is one little gravel ding here on the front hood. Looks like it took a piece of gravel, a very small rock chip, and a very, very slight dimple. The rest of the front bumper and things, there's a very small scuff there. A little one here, again, insignificant. Going down the side, we got one rock chip. And down the driver's side door, there is one. This is probably right there through the paint, but it's again got a few little scuffs there. I don't know if you can see that so good. It's a reflection, but. And then one little rock chip on the driver's side door down by the running board. A little bit of corrosion on the mounts of the running boards. Show you under there too. There we go. All right, moving back. The rest of this side looks pretty good. There's one little scuff on the fender flare here. And then moving around to the rear of the vehicle. Looks really good all in all. Nothing much to point out back here. We've got a drawer system and an air topper. Well, helps if you open it, not close it. So drawer system in the back. These things are sweet. They roll out, giving you a lot of storage. All this super functional and good, great condition, really. All right, moving around. This is probably the most significant piece on there. There is looks like they brushed something, and this is the most significant piece on the vehicle that I would point out. It's through the paint chip and scratch on that rear tail light. And again, I'm just going to point out any little flaw. There's also on the fender flare, there is a very light scuff, and one here on the fender flare as well. This is on the passenger side, rear fender flare. That is really it on the exterior. Here is the rest of the passenger side. Mirror caps, mirrors, glass, all that looks in really good condition. Wheels and tires. Good rubber on this. Hood, all that looks really good. All right, I'll pop the hood and start it for you. Start by just giving you a video of the engine bay. Real clean. Here, let me start her up and then I'll give you a video of it running. Super strong running vehicle. Took it up the road to get fuel in it when it came in. Very peppy with the HEMI. Well, there we go. The interior in this looks really good. The seat, there's a very small color. I don't know what, if they spilled something on there, but it is very light. Only in certain light does it really appear. You can see it in video, but almost better than real life. There's the seat. Gauge cluster. And I checked on all these features. Everything works. It does. I'll send you a still of the engine run times and things. There's the sunroof, which does work very good, in great working order. So there's that piece. Infotainment center or information center, whatever Dodge calls it. All really good, working order. Trailer brake controller, shifter, organizer and drink holder and all that. Center console in great condition. Open that up. Passenger seat. And dash and glove box and all that is in really good condition. I would rate the interior of this well above average. All right, working around to the passenger side. Got the rear passenger door. Here's the door panel itself. Floor mats and rear seats were never really used that much. Oh, here, let me kill it so we got the dinging to stop. All right, moving around to the passenger side. Front passenger door. Like the floor mats are in great condition, seats itself in great condition. And rear passenger door. And you can see from the video, very, very clean vehicle. All right, well, Robert, there you have it. It's our 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. I do appreciate the interest. This is Aaron for Taylor & Son signing off.